Let's explore the set of points that satisfy x cubed plus y cubed plus 3 xy equals 1. In math, the word locus just means the shape or collection of points that fit a certain rule. What kind of shape do you think this equation describes? This equation looks complicated at first. The x and y are mixed together in different ways, especially with those cubic and product terms. But notice how x cubed, y cubed, and 3xy stand out. That's a big clue. Here's a powerful algebraic identity. The sum of 3 cubes minus 3 times their product can be factored. This will help us break down our equation. Let's write our equation again and see how we can use the identity. Let's start by moving the 1 to the left side, so everything is set equal to 0. This matches the form of our algebraic identity. Now for a clever trick. We need a c cubed term and a minus 3 abc term. Notice that minus 1 can be written as minus 1 cubed, and 3xy can be rewritten as minus 3 times x times y times minus 1. Now our equation matches the identity perfectly. Here a is x, b is y, and c is minus 1. With this setup, we can use the factored form of the identity. Just substitute x, y, and minus 1 for a, b, and c. Let's expand and simplify this expression. We've turned a messy cubic into the product of two simpler expressions. If their product is 0, then at least one of them must be 0. Let's see what that means. So, either the first factor is 0 or the second factor is 0. Let's look at both possibilities. Let's start with the first case. This equation is easy to solve. X plus y minus 1 equals 0 is just x plus y equals 1. That's the equation of a straight line. Every point on this line is part of our solution. Now let's tackle the second, more complicated factor. Let's see what this equation represents. Here's a neat trick. Multiply the whole equation by 2. This will make it easier to complete the square. Let's rearrange the terms to reveal some perfect squares. X minus y squared, x plus 1 squared, and y plus 1 squared. Now we see the sum of 3 squared terms. See how the whole expression becomes the sum of 3 squared terms? That's a key insight. For any real numbers x and y, squared terms can't be negative. The only way their sum is 0 is if each one is 0 by itself. So x must equal y, x must equal minus 1, and y must equal minus 1. That gives us a single solution. The only point that works is minus 1, minus 1. So the second factor isn't a curve, it's just one isolated point. Let's confirm our algebraic result visually. Here is the graph. The line x plus y equals 1, and the single point minus 1, minus 1. This confirms our algebraic solution. To sum up, the locus for our equation is the line x plus y equals 1, and the single point minus 1, minus 1. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe for more math videos.